Mandatory reporting would apply for ministers and leaders of all religions, even if they learn that information through confession. Now, they're the same laws that already apply for teachers, doctors and police if they have knowledge or even a suspicion of child sex abuse occurring, and failure to report would result in a $6,000 fine and a criminal conviction. Now, the laws are likely to change here in WA in the second half of this year. The state's Child Protection Minister made that announcement just a short time ago. Let's take a listen to what she had to say.
It's important that we send a message to our community that we need to protect the most vulnerable in our community, that is children. And if those occupations that have a lot of contact with children have a reasonable suspicion of child sex abuse or any sort of abuse, they not only have a moral obligation to report that abuse, but under these laws they will have a legal obligation as well. Most people, I think most reasonable people, expect that that would be the case.
Now, the change to the law is one of the recommendations that came from the Royal Commission into child sex abuse. Similar laws are already in place in South Australia and the Northern Territory. Tasmania is trying to adopt those as well. So, as you said, we could see that around the rest of the nation. 310 recommendations came from that Royal Commission. The West Australian government says it's already acted on more than 100 of those, and it hopes to adopt about 180 more.